Hi guys, this is JK. This is my first official YouTube video and here we go. So it's weekend. So weekend means either bike ride or the day is for maintenance. So today we will be doing a regular maintenance check and yes, you are right, it's a chain maintenance day. Unfortunately, we don't have a center stand. So I bought this Explore barrack stand from Amazon and yeah, I have been using for a while and the build quality is good. It's better to have an assistance while using a barrack stand, but if you're confident enough, then yeah, you can use it of your own. Before we start, always use the right tools and toolkit for the maintenance activities. If you use the wrong tools, it may damage the screws and bolts so that it will be very difficult for you to get it back. And yes, I use this Stanley wrench set for screwing and unscrewing of bolts and screws. And yes, it's always better to have a tool like this so that for the reach and effortless screwing and unscrewing it. There is something comes up in my mind. I thought of sharing with you all, and yes, it's about bike. So bikes are always a pure emotions. So once it get into our life, there is no going back. And yes, it's like a soul. And for someone, it is their soul, and for someone, it's like their brothers, and someone it's their love. So like that, for me, he is my boy. So either it's a good day or bad day or stressful day at office or fight with my friends or family, whatever. So he's always there with me. Most importantly, he will listen all my shits, whether it's a good or bad, whatever. So the most important thing is it will never turn its back on me. Once he entered in my life, I always thought I had some purpose in my life. So before he enters, I feel like okay, let's work, come back, sleep, repeat again like that. But once he enters, I feel like there is something purpose on my life. So here is my thoughts, and I know that everybody will have a separate feelings for the bike, and I would like to hear. And please comment your thoughts on your bikes. And yes, here we back to our work. I used to clean the chains every 500 to 750-kilometer intervals, and all the dust, sudden rains, and dirts, and everything will settle on the chain sprocket and chains. So it's better to clean the chain certain interval so that it will improve the health of the chains and the bike. I use Motul C1 chain cleaner for cleaning the chains and sprockets and other things. And yes, so after cleaning and brushing all the dirts, just to take a cloth and wipe it all the dirts, it will easily come out. So after spraying the C1 chain cleaner in the chains and sprocket, so just to leave for 5 to 10 minutes so that the reaction happens, and it will be very easy to wipe out all the dirts and the grease from the chains. And yes, in the meantime, so we can clean the sprocket covers and chain covers. So there will be a lot of dirts on it. So use the same solution and just brush it and wipe it with the cloth. So and here you can see that. Yes. Once the initial cleaning is done, and use a fresh cloth to wipe out all the grease and again solutions. So and yes, here you can see the after cleaning, so how the chain looks, and you can see that it looks like a brand new chains. Once chains are clean, and it's now time for lubing. And yes, I use the Motul C2 chain loop. And yes, load the chains in all the directions and the center and side and the sprockets. Once the lubing is done, just take a fresh cloth and I remove the excess loops on the rims, on the sprockets and rest of the places. So once lubing is done, now it's time to bring it back. So place the covers and tight all the screws and use the, at first I said, use the proper tools to screw it so that it won't damage the threads. So once all the process is done, just hand tight again to make sure all the bolts and screws are tightened, so that there won't be any unnecessary vibrations and sound on the bike. And yes, that's it. So here we go. We have completed our first chain maintenance activity. This is my first maintenance activity, and let me your thoughts. If there is something I can improve, I can add it out. And that's it. So while removing the parax tank, just be careful guys if you are alone, because the bike will wobble and will try to lean on the right side, so there won't be any support. Yeah, cheers and thanks guys, thanks for watching. So like, comment and